Having a longer and bigger penis helps men increase their confidence and helps them become more happy with themselves and makes them more attractive to women. If you want to learn how to make your penis longer and bigger, then read this article. When the penis size argument comes up, then most people try to tell guys that size does not matter and wanting to make your penis longer and bigger is thought as weird and strange. In many ways size does not matter. Any kind of penis, whether it is long and thick, small or very small, is enough to fertilize a woman and make babies. If you look at it that way, then sure, penis size does not really matter. How to make your penis longer and bigger with penile exercises. The penis is really made up of 3 basic areas, 1 smaller chamber on the bottom and 2 larger chambers on top. These chambers fill up with blood when you have an erection. The current size of your penis is limited by both the width and length by the maximum in which the 2 chambers can fill with blood. So if you are able to increase the capacity of these 2 chambers, then more blood will be stored in the chambers, thus making your penis larger. And it is possible to permanently enlarge these chambers by exercising your penis. These specific jelqing exercises actually break down the cell walls of the main chambers inside the penis by forcing more blood into them. Every time you force the blood into these chambers, this stretches the cells larger than normal. The body naturally repairs the damaged cells by growing these cells back. And the new cells are larger and stronger. When you do these exercises consistently and use the right exercise techniques, your penis will get longer and it will get bigger. Simple jelqing exercise to get a bigger penis. First of all, you should start with a warm-up to make your penis more pliable and ready for the exercise. For warm-up, you can wrap a warm cloth around your penis to warm the penis. Jelqing is done generally with a semi-erect penis and with some kind of a lubricant such as baby oil. Once your penis is in semi-erect state and you have applied lubrication, then you are ready to begin. For OK grip with your hand and grasp the base of your penis. Squeeze your penis a little to apply pressure but not too much. Slowly slide your hand towards the head of your penis. Once you reach the head of the penis, stop and repeat the process. You can start out with about 50 jelqs. Every repetition should be done slowly, 5 to 8 seconds, and in a controlled manner. How to make sure you succeed with penile exercises. Just because penis exercises work does not mean that they will work for you. It is not a secret that if someone follows a proper diet and exercise program that they can get lean and look like a fitness model. But almost 3/4 of the population is still overweight or obese. In order to succeed and grow your penis bigger, you first of all need to have a strong reason to want this. How bad do you want it? Are you willing to exercise consistently for 3 to 6 months or more? Do you have the dedication and determination? Do you even know how you are supposed to enlarge the penis? These are all important questions. If you have the motivation, desire and dedication, then you strongly suggest you to learn how these exercises work and follow a proper program. Set yourself a realistic goal and keep exercising until you reach your goal. The truth is that size does matter. Learn how to grow a penis bigger by 1 to 3 inches with effective, safe, natural and cheap penile exercises.